Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and this little video is about a password manager. If you are using Google Chrome, you may already be using a password manager and not even know it. So let me show you what I mean. Here I am in Google Chrome, and let's say that I want to go to Dominos Pizza. Now, we order Domino's Pizza once in a while and we want to get the rewards, so we've signed up for an account. I click on Sign In and notice how there's already an email address and a password filled in. I don't have to remember that. That's because I'm using the Google Password Manager. Let me show you another example. Picmonkey is a free photo editor, and I log in and there is my email and a password already remembered. I don't have to do anything in order to log in. And the last example I want to show you is Zoom. Now, I use Zoom a lot and I have several different accounts, so it will even remember several different accounts and their respective passwords. So where are those passwords stored? Well, if you're logged in on your Google Chrome browser to your Google account, you just go to passwords.google.com. And that is your password manager. Now, you need to have logged in with your Google account username and password in order to see this. But now what if I need to have that Domino's password for somewhere else? I want to look it up. Well, here are all of the passwords that Google has remembered for me, and I can find Domino's right there, and I click on it. Now, before it gives me any more information, I need to re-verify that I am me. So nobody can just sit down at my computer and find my passwords. So that is my master password, if you will, is my Google account master password. And now I am looking at the Domino's account and I can click the little eyeball and see the actual password. Now, how did they get there? That's the other thing. So let me go to an account that I know is not currently saved. Campendium. And if I click on Login, nothing gets filled in, but I know what my username and password is, so I will fill that in. And when I sign in, it signs in successfully, and now Google is popping up and saying, do you want me to save this password? Yes, I do. Thank you very much. I click Save. Now, the next time I come to this web page, I won't have to remember the username and password. And that is the number one thing that a password manager does. And this is Google's password manager, which is built into your Google account and on Chrome. So it also works on any other device as long as you're using Chrome on that device.